Hi, I'm Ted Decker from Chandler's Medical, and today I'm going to go with the Golden Tech scooter, the number 110, the one I use. It's a nice scooter. It's easy to transport. That's why I have it. I keep it in the back of my Chevy Malibu. I have multiple sclerosis, so it's a big help to me being able to go places like the mall and things. Now, the big advantage of this unit, not only is it transports, it's got 3-inch clearance, it breaks down easily. And I'm gonna use Eric here now to show you how it breaks down, and then later on, I'm gonna show you how it fits in my trunk. Eric, you wanna step to the side there, and the first thing Eric is going to do is he's gonna take the seat off.
Hola, me llamo Eric, el nombre es Ted Decker. Hoy nosotros queremos ver aparato el máquina. Primero lavando asiento aquí.
Okay, now after he takes the seat down, he'll lock the front, and so the front wheel doesn't move.
Pone en el piso aquí. Segundo, camino aquí.
Okay, it's all locked. So now he'll take the battery out, and it just slides out of the back.
Segundo, yo muévete el batería. Pone el piso aquí.
Now, it's his option or your option if you want to take the front basket off. If you're transporting it, you usually want to take the front basket off to keep it from smashing when you put it in the car. And to do that, you just pull up on the basket and lay it to the side.
También muévete el basket. Con el pienso aquí.
And then what you'll do is you'll unlock the tiller. And it's like the hand steering wheel. And there's a little knob to the front. You unlock that, and the tiller will move backwards and frontwards where you can adjust it. Right now, we're going to lock the tiller and let it sit back.
Okay. También muévete aquí abajo.
And then now we'll just take the chassis apart, and there's a little lever in the back. You just pick it up, lift it up, and take the chassis off.
Y muévete aquí con el piezo. Es todo.
And that's it. And then you just put it in the back of the car, and you're off. Now, when you put it together, it's very easy. And it's the first thing you do is take the front, and you put the chassis and everything together. All you do is lift it up, and there's like little horseshoes there, and there's 2 little knobs. You just match them up, and it snaps in. That's all you have to do. Pull it back, and you snap it.
Muévete aquí.
Okay, now it's together. Now all you do is lift up the tiller, whatever level you want it at.
Okay. Muévete aquí.
You put the battery on.
Poner aquí.
Now before you do anything else, you want to unlock the front wheel, because you don't want to get into the unit and go straight. You want to be able to turn the wheel.
Cambio aquí.
Now you put the seat on.
Un asiento aquí. Uno más veces.
And then put the basket on the front. The basket being a
El
little
basket
tricky.
aquí. En el frente. Es todo.
And you wanna make sure the lever is locked on the tiller, but you wanna adjust it
Check
to
it
whatever level
aquí.
you want. And now you just get in it,
Siéntate.
and it's all together.
Es todo, completa.
And you take off. And we'll show you inside the, how I have it inside my car. Okay, and this is my car. This is the scooter that I use, and you see it fits in the back trunk without any problem. And it goes in, it comes out, just like inside, without any problem at all. You can visit us at challengemedical.com anytime you want, and thank you for your time.
Ok. Esta es la máquina aquí en el carro. Es no problema. Está bien aquí. Es muy compacto aquí. Es todo, es completa.
Have a good day, people.